they're cleaning my window right now. So yeah, there's someone on my balcony. What's up guys, it's Justin here, and today I've got a video giving you a tour of kind of the tech storage room in the apartment. So a couple months ago, I did my full apartment tour, and you guys seem to really enjoy that. So to continue on with the series, I want to show you the tech storage room of the apartment, but I'm also planning to bring more episodes of desk setups and just room improvement videos such as home tech and even the setup makeover series in the near future because you guys just seem to really enjoy those. So the room that I'm showing you today is kind of that hallway room, and it's often used as an office just to have a desk, a printer, and stuff like that. And I've even seen people use it as a spare bedroom to fit a twin bed in. But in my case, since I use a master bedroom as my office, I had a room that I just didn't really know what to do with. So ultimately, I decided that because I do have a lot of tech coming in and out because I'm a tech reviewer, I want to use it as a room that would kind of showcase the pieces of tech and also organize it in a way that everything was easy to grab and go. I'm also going to be giving away an Ultimate Ears Ue Blast speaker that is going to be great for the summer to one of you guys. So all you have to do to enter is make sure you're subscribed to the channel, drop a like on this video, and leave a comment down below with your favorite item you've seen in this video, and I'll be picking a winner when this video hits 2,000 likes. So when you walk in, beginning on the right side, the first thing you're going to notice is a blue cabinet, and this is something that I saw from Techno Buffalo's videos. They had that in their office, and it just so happened to fit very well in that gap that I had. It is called the Ikea PS, and it comes in a few different colors, but it's a relatively cheap cabinet that you're able to use as a TV stand, or in my case, a lockable storage unit that I just have stuff like spare hard drives and tools for the apartment. To complete it, I really want to get some storage bins for this cabinet to just organize a bit better, but on top of it, I have a couple items that kind of give that room a cool feel and personality to it. I've got a key holder from Umbra where I just have some grab and go stuff such as my keys, sunglasses, which I normally never put there and I'm always running around trying to find them. Along with an Ikea lamp with a Philips Hue bulb that kind of illuminates the room and allows me to change the color or the feel during the day. A hype light that I got from Urban Outfitters just to give it that neon feel, and the last thing is the Logitech Ue Blast with its docking speaker, which is my portable speaker of choice at the moment. And although I don't use it as much as I would like to because I have Sonos in the living room and the bedroom and then my computer speakers, it is still an amazing speaker and great to have around. And of course, being a hype beast, every single room has to have a bit of that in it, so I've got a bear brick at the end of this unit, and I grabbed that when I was in LA for ComplexCon, and I think the gold and everything looks pretty awesome, but I do remember lining up like an hour and a half for that, which was crazy. So moving on to the main storage unit, this is something that I definitely had a lot of troubles trying to decide which one to get, because again, there was a bit of a limited space and I wanted something that kind of felt seamless and not too forced in that room, and I ultimately decided to go with the Ikea Pax System. So this is a system that is very popular as wardrobes for rooms that don't have closets, but it is also very customizable in nature, so I decided to essentially customize it to exactly what I need. I went with 2 units of the smaller size, and although it is a bit of a tedious process in trying to decide what works with what, it ended up turning out very nicely. I got it in the white door with the white frame. There are a ton of different color options that look pretty good, but for the feel of the entire apartment, I decided to just go on scheme. And I also added a ton of different shelves. I added a drawer to keep my phones nice and safe, to charge as well, and I also had some quick access bins on one side for my cables and items that are just a bit more messy and loose in nature, but I don't want to just put it on the shelf. As you guys can see on the top, I naturally have some stuff that I just don't use as often, and as we move down to the middle, I have the items that I just often grab and go. I have my wireless charger, and I also like to just store some camera gear here or there, such as filters, some lenses, and batteries that I just need to grab and go, my vlog camera, microphones, and in the bin below that, I like to keep my smartphones just nice and safe, protected from dust for the most part, and also a USB charger from Anker, which makes it easy for me to just quickly grab and go any phone that I might need. On the other side, I just kind of have some larger boxes here and there, and I actually recently just found the storage unit for my apartment, which for a whole year I had no idea where it was, so I feel really stupid for that. So I've since shifted a lot of boxes over to that space, but I kind of just have the larger things that I don't need as often in the secondary side of storage. At the end of the day, this whole configuration that you're seeing right now came to around $900 in Canada, and although it is a bit pricey, the customizable system and everything was just so perfect to the point where I felt like there wasn't really a better option. It's a great way to just keep my stuff in an enclosed space while making it look organized when it really isn't. But otherwise, this pretty much wraps it up for kind of my tech room or tech storage room, as you might call it, and it's where I just keep stuff in a way that it is easy to grab but also looks nice because the room is kind of in the middle of the hallway. But if you guys have any other suggestions as to what I should add to the room in terms of decoration, let me know down in the comments section below, and I hope you guys enjoy this, and I'll see you all in the next one.